Here's a 2017 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Deel Sales in Miami is your local dealership committed to excellence. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 3650 Bird Road in Miami.